Welcome to the roller coaster ride that is cryptocurrency. If you've ever scratched your head wondering what the deal is with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the latest meme coin that sounds like it was named by a sleep-deprived raccoon, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving headfirst into the crypto universe, exploring trends, breaking down jargon, and making sense of this digital gold rush, all with a sprinkle of humor. Because let's face it, finance doesn't have to be a snooze fest. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about cryptocurrency? Isn't it just internet magic money for tech nerds and billionaires with too much time on their hands? Well, not exactly. Crypto isn't just a passing trend, it's a full-blown revolution in how we think about money. From decentralized finance, DeFi, to NFTs, the space is buzzing with innovation, opportunity, and yes, a little bit of chaos. But don't worry, we're here to break it all down in a way that makes sense, even to your grandma while she's knitting a sweater. So, what's fueling this crypto craze? For starters, the promise of life-changing profits. We've all heard the stories. Someone buys Bitcoin for the price of a cup of coffee and ends up retiring on a private island. Sounds dreamy, right? But it's not just about making fast cash. The rise of DeFi has given people more control over their finances, cutting out traditional banking middlemen. Think of it as upgrading from a horse-drawn carriage to a rocket ship. Faster, more efficient, and way more exciting. Of course, no discussion about crypto would be complete without mentioning social media's role in this frenzy. One minute you're scrolling through cat videos, and the next, you're convinced you need to invest in a coin named after a dog. The hype machine moves fast. One day, a token is the hottest thing since sliced bread, and the next, it's as forgotten as your old MySpace account. But hold on to your digital wallets. This world isn't all sunshine and Lambos. Welcome to the circus of crypto scams, where the clowns aren't just juggling balls, they're juggling your hard-earned cash. Ponzi schemes, pump-and-dump scams, and sketchy projects with websites that look like they were made in 1995, oh my! Remember, if an investment sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Unless, of course, it's free pizza. Then maybe, just maybe, it's legit. Now, let's talk about the stars of the show. The coins worth your attention. On the A-list, we have Solana, the overachiever with lightning-fast transactions, and Cardano, the deep thinker that values research and innovation. And then there are the meme coins, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, like that one friend who shows up to the party with an outrageous idea. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but it's always entertaining. So, how do you navigate this digital Wild West without losing your shirt? First, set clear investment goals. Are you in for the long haul, or are you here to make a quick buck? Understanding your risk tolerance is key. Next, use the right tools. Platforms like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko help you track trends and separate the serious projects from the ones that scream scam alert. And finally, think long-term. Trying to time the market is like trying to catch a greased pig. It's messy, frustrating, and rarely ends well. Instead, diversify your portfolio and hold on to investments that have solid fundamentals. So, what have we learned today? Crypto is exciting, unpredictable, and full of opportunity, but also not without its risks. Whether you're here for the technology, the potential profits, or just the memes, the key is to stay informed, think critically, and most importantly, keep your sense of humor intact. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And if you're hungry for more insights, check out our other videos where we dive deeper into specific coins, investment strategies, and market trends. Thanks for joining us on this crypto adventure. Stay curious, stay cautious, and may your investments be ever in your favor.